30. For 30 long years he worked with them. And he used his social analysis. Not just working as an activist running around. No, he analyzed the situation, and one thing that he found for the tribals was that there are beautiful provisions for the indigenous people of India, the Adivasis, in our constitution. And they are not being implemented till this day in many areas. And what he did was try to work towards the implementation of these provisions of the Constitution. Analysis, intellectual work, and activism, action, the two have to go hand in hand. And they went so well with Stan. He was able to blend the two, and that's the reason why he was effective and became a thorn in the side of the powerful, because he was being successful in the constitutional method of getting rights for people.